Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make white chocolate fondant. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients, which typically include good quality white chocolate, mini marshmallows, powdered sugar, and a touch of water or milk. The process begins by gently melting the white chocolate and marshmallows together until they form a smooth, cohesive mixture. This initial step is crucial for achieving the right texture, so take your time and ensure everything is fully incorporated before moving on to the next stage of preparation. To melt your white chocolate and marshmallows, a double boiler is ideal for gentle, even heat, or you can use a microwave in short bursts. If using a microwave, heat for 30-second intervals, stirring well after each. This prevents scorching and ensures a smooth, lump-free base. The goal is a perfectly melted, glossy mixture, free of any solid pieces, which will be the foundation for your delicious fondant. Once your white chocolate and marshmallow mixture is perfectly melted, it's time to incorporate the powdered sugar. Gradually add about 2/3 of the total powdered sugar, mixing with a sturdy spoon until a shaggy, thick dough starts to form. Then, transfer this sticky mixture onto a clean surface dusted generously with the remaining powdered sugar. This step can be a bit messy, but it's essential for developing the fondant structure. Now for the kneading. Work the mixture on your powdered surface, folding and pressing until it transforms into a smooth, pliable, and elastic fondant. If it feels too sticky, add a little more powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time, until it reaches the desired consistency. Once kneaded, wrap your beautiful white chocolate fondant tightly in plastic wrap and let it rest at room temperature for at least 30 minutes before using.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.